Greetings to you all and welcome to Konkomba Study Room. Ido check it in momo na ayu attack kone Likpakpaln abem adien pona. Our last lesson we learned singular and plural form of naming things. Takoko abem na ye luamba nekwampak ayem. And it is your brother Mangu Ilimo Joseph speaking. Ne ye anabo Mangu Ilimo Joseph Lena. Today we are learning pronouns. Ding tibatibe become ayin to aneke pronouns na. What is pronoun? By a pronoun. A pronoun is a word or a phrase that may be used in a place of a noun or a noun phrase. Pronoun le ye le mo bon le agama de si uni be to wan ayembel asesina. To let's start here. Tepindo I, a, you, u, he or she or it, ti, we, ni, you, be, they. We use one by one of what I mentioned to form a sentence. Together, mba kede nga mwalam. I, inye Ubijabo la. I am a boy. Inye Upiibo la. I am a girl. We go to the second one. Tibomnelele a you. Aye Upiibo. Aye Ubijabo la. You are a boy. Aye Upiibo la. You are a girl. We go to the next one. Tibomnempana. U. He or she or it. Uye Ubijabo la. He is a boy. Uye Upiibo la. She is a girl. We go to the next one. Tibom nempana. Nempana ye ti. The next one is ti we. Ti ye Mbijabim la. We are boys. Ti ye Mpiibim la. We are girls. We go to the next one. Tibom nempana. Ni you. Ni ye Mbijabim la. You are boys. Ni ye Mpiibim la. You are girls. We go to the last one. Tibom kokoya. Be they. Be ye Mbijabim la. They are boys. Be ye Mpiibim la. They are girls. Please, this is not all. Go and search and learn more and get more examples for yourself. This information was brought to you by Likpakpaln to the world. Likpakpaln to the world, I'm a bang june to body creativity. Like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.